It's a strong month. The sales rate's going to be somewhere around 17.3, 17.4 million. Anytime you have a sales rate over 17 million, it'll be strong. So even though you see the individual automakers, you know, whether it's Fiat Chrysler up 15.7% or Toyota up 1.4%, Ford down 3.9%. Remember, we're comparing with a very strong October last year, but overall, strong auto sales in October. What's interesting, when you look at the people in showrooms, they are now taking out auto loans with the highest interest rate that we've seen since 2009. On average, 6.2%, according to Edmunds. Take a look at shares of Toyota. They will be reporting earnings next week. Those higher interest rate guys, they are not keeping people away from taking out loans on more expensive vehicles.
I didn't know it was 6.2%. Wow, that's high, Phil. GM CEO Mary Barra also speaking at the Dealbook conference moments ago off the heels of a very strong earnings report and a huge surge in the stock yesterday. So what'd she say?
Well, one of the big topics that Andrew was talking with Mary Barra about is monetizing its subsidiary, Cruise, which is developing autonomous drive vehicle technology. Ultimately, they plan to have a rideshare service, an autonomous rideshare service that they'd like to launch next year. And Andrew said, look, when do you start making money off of Cruise? Here's what Mary Barra had to say.
You don't have anything to monetize until you actually have the technology that's capable that you can deploy and take the driver out of the vehicle. So once we accomplish that, and we think there's multiple business models of how we'll deploy, then we'll look at what's in the best interest of the General Motors shareholder on how to monetize.
Coming off of 3Q earnings that were better than expected yesterday, we saw GM's earnings or stock pop yesterday. It's given back a little bit today, but it's generally holding on to the gains that it got yesterday. Guys, this is the best week since June for General Motors.
Lastly, another tweet from Elon Musk. Uh-oh. This one's about the company's auto park feature.
And Summon. Look, if you are somebody who thinks, boy, I want to have my car do things that I never dreamed it would be able to do before, you know, they already have this Summon feature on the vehicles. So Elon Musk sends out a tweet yesterday saying, for those unfamiliar, this uses Tesla Auto Park /Summon, slightly smarter version, hopefully ready soon. By next year, a Tesla should be able to drive around a parking lot, find an empty spot, read signs to confirm it's valid, and park. Look, that sounds great. And the technology, look, I think the technology is coming along. That's not the issue. The question is, when do we actually see this technology becoming a reality? Melissa, back in 2014, Elon Musk said, look, we're going to have autopilot, and you'll be able to, we'll show you, we'll do a drive from Seattle down to California. They never did that drive. 2017, they were going to drive hands-free from New York to California or cross-country. That never happened. Look, this technology will be developed. I think that people need to tone down their expectation that right around the corner they're going to be able to park their car, you know, and move around remote control on their car without being in the car.